So do you also use Typeform to receive any kind of form submissions for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Typeform submission. So I have created a contact form using Typeform, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be created as a new subscriber in my Zoho campaigns account so that I can send personalized emails to that user. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Typeform with my Zoho campaigns account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So I use Typeform to collect information from my audience like surveys, sign-ups or feedback. And I want to make sure that every respondent is added or updated in my Zoho campaigns email list automatically. This saves me the hassle of manually transferring data and ensures my email list is always up to date. For example, if someone submits my lead form over here, then automatically their details will be added directly to Zoho campaigns, or if they are already a subscriber, their information will be updated. This automation helps me send timely and relevant emails, keeping my audience engaged without any extra effort. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Typeform with my Zoho campaigns account using an automation software. And now here in this video, firstly we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I have already built by simply making a form submission over here. So this is the lead form that I've created using Typeform, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission over here, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be created as a new subscriber in my Zoho campaigns account under my specific email list. So now here to see the working of this automation, we are going to make a form submission. So here you can see some pre-filled data, that is first name, last name, phone number and the email. So now here I'm going to click on the submit. Then I'm going to select a random rating and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. That means we have successfully generated a test response in our Typeform. So now let's go and check our Zoho campaigns account. Here I'm going to refresh it. So here you can see after refreshing also, I haven't received a new subscriber in my Zoho campaign account till now. That is because here I've sent a confirmation mail to that subscriber email so that once he confirms the subscription, then automatically he will be added to my campaign list over here. So here let me confirm the subscriptions from my leads email account. And here you can see the mail that our lead has received over here for the subscription confirmation. And here I'm going to click on this confirm subscription. And here you can see it says you are all set now. That means we have successfully added a new subscriber in our email list. So now let's go and check our Zoho campaign account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Zoho campaign account with the email as testinguser111@pabblytools.com, first name, last name and some other details. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this automation by simply connecting your Typeform account with Zoho campaigns account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Typeform submission. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Typeform, as I'm receiving new form submissions through Typeform. So Typeform is an online tool for creating interactive and visually appealing forms, surveys and quizzes. People use Typeform because it makes gathering information fun and engaging with its user-friendly design and conversational format. So here in my Typeform trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new entry, so that whenever I'm going to receive new entry through my Typeform, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here to connect my Typeform with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect given over here. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Typeform account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can simply click on this select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Typeform. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect by clicking on this accept button, as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the form. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the three forms that I've created in my Typeform account. And here in this particular case, I'm going to use my form which I've created with the name lead form. So this is my form, and now here after selecting my form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see after clicking on the save and send test request, here it is waiting for response. That means here to receive a response, I need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, I need to generate a test response in my Typeform. So now here to generate the test response, let me take you back to my Typeform. Here I'm going to refresh it. And now again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as lead test. Here I'm going to enter the last name as subscriber. Here I'm going to enter random phone number. And then here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as latest subscriber 111@pabblytudes.com. And then I'm going to click on this submit. So here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here, where we have received some details such as first name, last name, phone number, email address and the phone number. Here you can see the first name, scrolling little up. Here you can see the last name, scrolling little more up. Here you can see the phone number, and here you can see the email address. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new entry through our Typeform, then automatically I want to add the person who has made the form submission as a new subscriber in my Zoho campaign account. So for that, I need to connect my Zoho campaigns account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho Campaigns. So Zoho Campaigns is an email marketing tool that helps businesses create, send and track email campaigns. People use it to connect with their audience, share updates and promote products or services services. So here in my Zoho campaigns action step, I'm going to select my action event as add or update subscriber, so that whenever I'm going to receive new entry through my Typeform, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be added as a new subscriber in my Zoho campaigns account. And now here to connect my Zoho campaigns with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Zoho campaigns account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho campaigns. And now here to connect this application, it is asking me to enter the domain. So here it says enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to. So here to get this domain, let me take you to my Zoho campaigns account, and here in the URL you can see my domain, that is zoho.com. So here I'm going to copy it, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the domain. Now here after entering the domain, I'm going to click on the save. And then here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list. So here in this list field, I need to select the list under which I want to create a new subscriber. So here for the list, I'm going to select my list that I've already created with the name new leads. And here after selecting the list, it is asking me to enter the contact email, first name, last name, and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic, so that whenever we are going to receive new entry through our Typeform, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my leads email. So I'm going to search for the email. So this is my leads email. Moving forward, here for the first name, I'm going to search for the first name. So this is the first name. Here I'm going to search for the last name. So this is my leads last name. Moving forward, here this company name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Moving forward, again these fields are not a required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the message as a confirmation email is sent to the user. User needs to confirm to successfully subscribe. So here you can see a confirmation email is sent to the lead, and when the lead will confirm the subscription, then only the new subscriber is going to be added in a Zoho campaigns account. So now here again let me take you to my leads email account. And here you can see the mail that my lead has received that says, dear latest, thank you for subscribing. Click the button below to confirm your subscription. So I'm going to click on this confirm subscription button. And here you can see it says you are all set now. That means we have successfully made the confirmation over here. So now let's go and check our Zoho campaign account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber over here with the email as latest subscriber 111@pabblytudes.com, first name as latest and last name as subscriber. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Typeform and our action as Zoho campaigns, so that whenever we are going to receive new entry through our Typeform, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be added as a new subscriber in a Zoho campaigns account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Typeform submissions. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.